don't want nobody else around. When I'm with you, baby, nothing really matters. So like think, baby, there's no doubt.
Do you sometimes crave Greek food but without all the oily heaviness and instead want to keep it light and healthy? Today we are making just that. A Greek-style quinoa bowl with juicy feta chicken meatballs, creamy tzatziki and a tangy beetroot-tomato salad. This recipe is healthy, high protein and keeps you full for hours while you get to enjoy all the amazing flavors of Greek food. Are you ready? Let's make it!
To be with me endlessly, forever till we part ways. Hope it's not too soon. How I see it now, just wanna make a temporary truce. For every move, sun passing by made me realize nothing that I wanna lose tonight. But with you, it's always day and night. I'm just trying to make this right, yeah.
Oli kimuli ekirungi ekyakula ku luzi buli asena amazzi akuba kugwa maaso oli tulo wesangibwa mu ddungu ewonya enkalamata okusanya kutereketa I can't imagine a life without your love, an indifferent car, live without Twana, 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 natural and Twana. I'm sitting on Twana, 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 natural and Twana. I'm sitting on Nangenitisi, Nanjagalo Kulava. Omutima ne gunkuba nnyo nga nesunga okulaba oli wanjawulo nnyo omutima wagutegesa mutego bwe kaba kagaali nvugira mu kyenda kubanga laavu yaffe yatenda